So again, as you can see that we are coming up with series of problems, because I feel that my students struggle a lot trying this 5 marks questions of S.N.Dey. So I have come up with another problem which is from page number 301 again, 5 marks question, and it is number 21. It's a beautiful problem. It says, if y equals to 1 plus a1 by x minus a1 plus a2x by x minus a1 into x minus a2 plus a3x squared by x minus a1 into x minus a2 into x minus a3, then show that dy dx is equal to y by x a1 by a1 minus x plus a2 by a2 minus x plus a3 by a3 minus x. So yes, so this is the problem. Now you see, this is the problem. This looks very terrific, this looks very hard from the perspective of a class 12 student. It looks very hard, but trust me, it is not hard at all. This looks hard, but this one actually is so helpful. This one is your friend. This one solves all the problems. But now we analyze the dy dx first. What do we see here? We see dy dx is equal to y by x. Now look at this. How do you analyze where I am standing and where do I need to go? Check what happens. Let's say there is a quantity log y and I want to apply ddx over it. Now you see, we are differentiating with respect to x, but the variable I can see here is y. So I cannot directly evaluate log y with respect to x, but for that, what we do is we first evaluate dy of log y, and then we do our dy dx. So that's how I solve my problem of ddx. So that's how you solve any problem, whether there is another variable and you are differentiating with another variable. So you have to first check this, how this function changes with respect to y, and then we see that how this y was changing with respect to x. That's how it is done. So you can see that, let's say there is this quantity is called k. So now look at this, ddx of log y would be dy of log y into dy dx. So this will be 1 by y dy dx. So now if it was equals to k, then this y, you see, it transfers over here. So dy dx would look like y into k. Now can you see the same thing is there? Dy dx, and there's this y, as if it was there, this side, 1 by y dy dx. And you know that this result only can come when ddx of log y is done. So this is how I analyze, how do I approach, where am I standing and where do I need to go. As I have seen a y there, as if it was there 1 by y. So 1 by y dy dx would only come from here, which was ddx of log y. So I have got the idea that at some point in my journey I have got to take log. So now I will apply that. How do I do this? So I check the expression carefully. So y equals to 1 plus a1 by x minus a1 plus a2x by x minus a1 into x minus a2 plus a3x squared by x minus a1 into x minus a2 into x minus a3. Now look at this. I can do the LCM of the denominators here, but that will only complicate my problem. Let's do it part by part. So I am taking these two expressions and I am doing the LCM. So the LCM is x minus a1, and you can see that this becomes x minus a1 plus a1 plus a2x, x minus a1, x minus a2 plus a3x squared, x minus a1, x minus a2 and x minus a3. Now look at this is cancelled. So x by x minus a1 plus a2x by x minus a1 into x minus a2 plus a3x squared x minus a1 into x minus a2 into x minus a3. Now we will do same this two again. So now the LCM is x minus a1 into x minus a2. Now x minus a1 is there, so we multiply x with x minus a2. This will give me x into x is x squared and x into minus a2 is minus a2x. You see that minus a2x is also gone. So plus a3x squared by x minus a1 into x minus a2 into x minus a3. Now this becomes x squared by x minus x1 into x minus a2 plus a3x squared by x minus a1 into x minus a2 into x minus a3. Now we do the same thing here. This becomes x minus a1 into x minus a2 into x minus a3. So x minus a1 into x minus a2 into x minus a3, and this becomes, look at this, these two are there, so I just multiply x squared with this quantity. So x squared into x is x cubed minus a3 x squared, and you see that there is one a3 x squared and it is gone. So the term becomes actually very simple, x cubed by x minus a1 into x minus a2 into x minus a3. So we will just erase this and write this expression here. So this term becomes, this whole terrific looking expression just becomes this, x cubed by x minus a1 into x minus a2 into x minus a3. Now when you see an expression like that, whether let's say fx by gx into hx into px into kx, let's say fx into capital Qx or something like that, you see expressions like that, you close your eyes and you take log. That is a given. Whenever you see expressions like fx raised to the power gx, you close your eyes and you take log. That is the way how you deal with this expression. So you see, same thing can be observed. So we straight away go and take log. So when I take log, this whole thing becomes x cubed by x minus a1 into x minus a2 into x minus a3. Very nice. Now log of numerator by denominator is log numerator minus log denominator. So log x cubed minus log this whole thing x minus a1 into x minus a2 into x minus a3. Now this is again product. So log of product ABC is log A plus log B plus log C, but there was the minus outside. And this is log x cubed, so 3 comes out. So this becomes 3 log x minus log of x minus a1. Due to this minus, the all addition will be converted to negative. So log x minus a2 and minus log x minus a3. So we have come to this expression. So log y equals to this. 3 log x minus a1 minus log x minus a2 minus log x minus a3. I am erasing this again due to the insufficient space at the board, and I am writing this expression again. So log y becomes 3 log x minus a1 minus log x minus a2 minus log x minus a3. Very nice. So I am erasing this, and let's see. Now I apply ddx both the sides. So ddx of log y equals to ddx of this whole thing. Now when I do ddx of this whole thing, ddx splits. So this will become ddx 3 log x minus ddx of log x minus a1 minus ddx of log x minus a2 minus ddx of log x minus a3. Very nice. Now this gives me 3 comes out as constant, 3 by x minus ddx of log x minus 1 would be 1 by x minus 1, and we do further the chain rule, ddx of x minus 1, which is 1. So I am not doing that. So this is 1 minus same thing x minus a2 and same thing 1 by x minus a3. Now why do I need to recheck this? Ddx of log y, as I have shown earlier, this will be 1 by y dy dx. Now look at this. Y, I have come to y this side, so I can take this y at any time this side and Make it look like there is a y in the numerator. What is lacking here? I need to reach this, right? So I need to have a y by x. This only happens when I take 1 by x as common. So if I take 1 by x as common, this becomes 3 minus 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x minus a2 minus 1 by x minus a3. What I can do more, I have already got the form y by x, I have already got the form, but this needs to be taken care of. How do I do that? Now look at this. This is specific case happening. If I can write this 3 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 and give each one to this expressions, then what it becomes? 1 minus 1 by x minus a1, I pair this, plus 1 minus 1 by x minus a2, I pair this, and then 1 minus 1 by x minus a3, I pair this. Now what happens is 1 by x, and this is my LCM, and this gives me x minus a1. Oh, if I take 1 by x common, I have mistaken here. So if I take 1 by x as common, this will become x. Right, I am taking 1 by x as common outside, so x will be multiplied on the numerator. So I have, look at this. Yes. So this will be x minus a1, this is s, x and x. So look at this. So this is x minus a1 minus x, and also plus x minus a2, and this will be x minus a2 minus x, plus this will be x minus a3, x minus a3 minus x. Now what happens is this, x gone, x gone, x gone. So what becomes is 1 by, so I'm coming here with, so I'm just coming here and writing this expression. So 1 by y dy dx becomes 1 by x into minus a1 by x minus a1 minus plus minus a2 plus minus a2 by x minus a2 plus minus a3 by x minus a3. As you can see, so now I need to get a1 minus x. See, it's very easy. I have this minus in the denominator, so I multiply both the numerator and denominator with minus 1, I get this reverse. So 1 by y dy dx is 1 by x, this becomes a1 by a1 minus x plus a2 by a2 minus x plus a3 by a3 minus x, and just take the y that side, is your result, y by x into a1 by a1 minus x plus a2 by a2 minus x plus a3 by a3 minus x. Proved. So that's how you tackle these things. That's all for today. Thank you.